Hey guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I have a bunch of new products that I can't wait to dive into. But before we get started on anything makeup, I wanted to address something. So I put out an Instagram story the other day of this photo, and I got so many replies on how that could have been a sunburn or like what is wrong with my leg? Did I go to the hospital? I honestly just feel like I've been going through it recently with my lost voice and my cut hand and now my sunburn peeling off. It literally was nothing serious. It just looked really dramatic. It was a sunburn under a spray tan. So just a little reminder, please wear sunscreen. I don't know what came over me. I'm like the whitest Caucasian skin tone ever underneath all of this spray tan. So I need to remember that. And I'm hopefully going on vacation soon. My dad is organizing or has organized this whole vacation for me, my brothers, my extended family, and Nats as this big family vacation like we used to as kids. But the face crack of the century is where we're planning to go is Grenada in the Caribbean. And Nats woke me up this morning. She had some kind of dream or premonition wanting to check like the laws over there, seeing if they were LGBTQ friendly. And I honestly would have never thought in my wildest dreams that this place would have had a problem with gay couples or transgender people or anything like that, because it is such a beautiful place to vacation. And I'm sure so many families go there and so many walks of life just go to Grenada or St. Lucia or wherever, you know, all of those islands over there. But girl, was I shaken when she showed me their law breakdown. I had an instance in Dubai, which I don't want to relive. The laws are very similar to those laws in Dubai where I got detained, and I am now freaking my guts out. So it's now 10 o'clock at night, and I guess my dad said the immigration office opens at 8 a.m. their time. So he's going to call and handle that, and I might have to call just for self-reassurance because I don't want to travel like 10 hours just to get detained again. I'm trying to stay positive about it. Nats has like major anxiety, but we're gonna handle it. And you know what? If I don't go to Grenada, then I don't go to Grenada and we go somewhere else, and that's fine. So yeah, that's pretty much the latest that's happened today within the last 24 hours. I'm so excited to get into this beat. Let's start off with this palette. Okay, so Mosquito and Sephora came out with this gorgeous collection. This palette is everything. The colors look great. It kind of has that laptop vibe. The whole entire collection is very like back to school. And also, thank you Sephora and Mosquito for partnering with me for this video. I had an awesome time at the Coachella party. I saw a lot of familiar faces there, and I didn't go to Coachella weekend 1 or weekend 2. I literally just stopped by for that party, so thank you for having me. So next in the collection is this adorable little bear mask. I honestly am not a fan of sheet masks unless they have like playful cartoons on them. Oh my god, see? I'm flaking everywhere. I know I shouldn't peel it, but I can't stop. That is my real skin tone underneath all this spray tan. No more burn, but this is fresh baby skin, so if I do go away, you know I'm gonna be packing on that SPF like 50 at least. All right, so then in the collection are these liquid markers, which look like highlighters. Literally, I would mistake it for a highlighter, even down to like the packaging and the colors. Looks like back to school, hence the yellow background today I wanted to match. Then they have this cute little pencil brush set filled with 5 brushes. 2 look like face brushes, 3 look like eye brushes. These eraser sponges, which are kind of beauty blender-esque. And this one is probably the one that threw me the most. I was like, okay, how do you like twist open that sponge? That just like looks so seamless. Like, what is it? Is it blush? But no, they're sponges, which is so cute and unexpected. I love it when a brand just throws you. Then we have the marker eyeliner, which is a little bit less deceiving because literally on the packaging, it shows you that it's a liquid pencil. So it's like, I mean, what else would it be if it's in that packaging? Then the ones I'm very excited for, the highlighters. So there are 3 colors. These look like they're really juicy highlighters. If you put it over like a freshly written line and pen, it will like smudge it all. So I'm very excited to see the glow factor on those, and if they're cream or powder, I assume cream. And lastly, which I thought was very cute, is the whiteout or the liquid polish. It's a nail polish in white because duh, gotta correct when you make a mistake when you're writing. So yeah, that is the whole collection. I'm very excited to dive in. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in a bit. Now I do have my base down already. I was thinking of doing like an updated foundation routine and skincare because it's changed a lot, and I feel like my skin is finally in a place where I'm like, all right, girl, I'm finally confident about it. It's not messy from electrolysis or anything. So I am feeling colorful today. I feel like I kind of want to do like a pink and orange moment, maybe with like a little purple in there. I don't know. I want to like literally like just have fun and go with the flow. So first of all, I'm going to go in with this orange color, and don't really have to be too precise at this point. Ooh, she's pigmented. Okay, oh my God, work. I'm gonna smoke that out kind of everywhere because I kind of want that to be our little base color. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that hot pink, and I feel like this will kind of just, I don't know what this will do. And I know I have like such a heavy hand when it comes to eyeshadow. I feel like I just get it done. Just put it on there. A few people out there I'm sure are gagging, like, bitch, what is she doing? But I know my eye shape, I know it works, and I'm not here to waste time. And I do like, especially a lot of the colors that go down first, I do like carrying them onto my nose. I know that might seem like a little bit dramatic for a lot of people, but I like the fact that these are gonna be the lighter colors, and it's kind of all gonna tie into the skin. It's not just gonna sit on the little beady eye area. It's kind of gonna blow out further than that, which I think helps kind of create that beautiful illusion. Also in school, I got bullied. Let's just call it what it is. I got bullied, and before I even knew I was different, people were calling me different. People were saying I was, you know, a freak and gay and all that stuff, and I just knew from the way that they would say the words that it was a bad thing, and I wanted to stay away from that. It wasn't until later, obviously, that I was like, wait, being gay or being different is everything. So why am I running from this? It was one of those things that I had to learn myself, and kids can be awful. You know, I can't even imagine. I think about it literally all the time. Sorry, I'm getting carried away. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that straight up purple on a little brush. We shall see how this goes. I look crazy right now, but this will look cute, I swear. Just, I feel everyone having a phone. Like, I know my young cousins have phones. I know a lot more is happening at an early age, and it freaks me out because I feel like it's a lot harder for kids out there nowadays because there is so much communication and it never, ever, ever stops. Like, I remember I would text in school, of course, but you know, now it's on a whole new level. But on the plus side, I think a lot of kids are seeing who they are earlier on and identifying with things that maybe weren't like household topics before, like being trans. I didn't really know what that was in high school, to be honest. I knew of it, of course, but I didn't really know anybody that was. I couldn't really put a face to the label. And that is something that YouTube taught me and still continues to teach me every single day, because there are people out there that you would have never ever met in your entire life if it wasn't for this website. All right, so now that we have that mess going on, I want something creamy to cut my crease with, but I'm gonna set it like immediately. I'm gonna go into these highlighters. Ooh, pretty. Oh my God. I love that. So I'm gonna take a little brush that looks like this. You can really use anything. And you know what? I might spray this. I'm gonna use a little Too Faced spray. Okay, so it's kind of a sheer little moment. I just whip out the nail polish and put that on my eye. This stuff is really creamy, really nice. I feel like this would be really great for body glow or even underneath powder, but it is very, very buildable, especially from that first layer I just put down. So from that palette, I'm gonna go in with the whitest of white just to take it there. Let's see how white this is. Oh! Yes! Okay. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm going a little bit above my crease, but I feel like you can stay on it or above it. It doesn't really matter because this is kind of a dramatic look. Ooh, you better work. I'm dying. Now using another brush, I'm gonna go in with that purple again. We are just gonna push what is left and kind of smoke that out and have the front part right here be the sharpness of it all. So now that we have the purple down, I'm gonna go in with the same brush and just use a little bit of that pink and tie it in and dab it right kind of on top just to give that kind of like sunset ombre moment. Okay, so now time for the marker eyeliner. I'm probably gonna hold my breath this whole time and do this. I can't do eyeliner and not hold my breath. It's like the worst thing. So now that the liner is done, I'm gonna go in with a little purple down below. And honestly, when I was in school, Instead of being bullied, I found it easier to cope and stand up to the bullies by being one. It's not something I'm proud of, that's for sure. It was one of those like survival technique things that I wish I could take back. I was always the kind of person in school, always growing up in elementary school, even in early high school, I just felt like very non-confrontational. Just, I don't want to be a part of any fights. I was always like, okay, I'm going to stay in my lane and you stay in yours. But when people start coming to you and bullying you for something that you didn't ask for, you didn't ask to be this fabulous, like God just made you this way. So if you're going to come for me, I found it easier to bite back and be that bully. And I talk about this a lot in my book. It's like a running theme because it's not cute, but it did get me through. It was a full-on survival technique. I think it was really easy for me for a long time though to step back and just be like taking it and just be silent, but I think it takes a strong person to stand up for themselves. It's just when you take it too far that it becomes a problem. So I extended that white a little bit further down. This is a trick I've been loving and using a lot recently. I'm just going to be looking in my mirror and doing a little line with that liquid pencil, just like that. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that purple on that small brush and blend that out. And it does look a little harsh right now, but we will be putting mascara on, obviously, so she will blend. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some mascara and I'm gonna throw on some lashes and be right back. Okay, so the eyes are all done. I put lashes on from Lily Lashes. These are in Miami Flare, a pair I've never tried. They are fabulous. They're like that perfect mix of spacey and flare, and I'm just obsessed with them. And I put a little white eyeliner down here. Now for lips. So I really don't know what to expect from these. I feel like the eyes are just so much. I really went ham today, but whatever. So I was thinking Command would be a cute one to go in with. It kind of matches my nails, the like orangeness of it, but we might have to mix it with a nude. We shall see. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, wowza. I might just tap this out. If I had known that these are going to be as pigmented as the eyeshadows, oh great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I mean, it actually creates a really nice little stain. If you don't want the full-on pigmentation of it, it's very, very, very hello, colorful summer. I'm obsessed. Oh my God. All right, so that is all for today's makeup. You guys know I usually don't go this colorful, but I'm glad I did. Definitely tag me if you recreate it, and until I see you guys next time, stay gorgeous.